Wow, this is great! I'm happily developing front-end apps on AWS. Life is good. Look at how fast I'm building all these apps without IT and security looking over my shoulder. So glad we went cloud first on everything. This couldn't be any better, faster, and less supervised.
All this talk and excitement about Cloud First is funny to me. Somebody back here is still managing all of the applications that run the company business on aging infrastructure. Sure, we tried to migrate a couple of these apps natively to the cloud because we couldn't procure the hardware fast enough during the pandemic. It took us 1 year and we're still not done. More than Cloud First, this looks like Cloud Last to me.
Google machine learning is where it's at. I'm having a blast. All clouds are not the same, and I love all this innovation. Google gets developers, they get me. And all these artificial intelligence services help my company and surely look good on my resume. Wait, what are these other goodies over there on Azure? Gotta get some of that too.
Holy cow. Keeping up with developers is a big headache. They said, let them innovate. Don't slow them down. But how do I train my team on all these different technology stacks? All this is blowing up our cost structure. And I'm still on the hook to manage and secure it all. Oh, great, of course. Now they want a full compliance report across all clouds and to show that we have a consistent security posture. And I don't even know where all this is. Yeah, so much for go in on the cloud. Cloud first, blah, blah, blah. This is complex and costly. This is cloud chaos.
Hi, I am Vittorio Berengo and I lead the VMware Cross Cloud Services team. And I'm super excited to be here with my favorite field team in the whole world. I've been on the road a lot lately and talked to hundreds of customers, and conversations like the one we just saw are happening everywhere. In fact, 90% or so of our customers use 2 or more clouds today, whether they admit it or not. And multi-cloud initiative was great, and it's allowed developers to achieve incredible speed and innovation. But now, with the proliferation of multi-cloud silos, CIOs are stuck with the complexity and the cost. VMware saw this coming years ago and started addressing this problem first with the introduction of VMware Cloud on AWS, and then Azure, Google, and all the other hyperscalers, and our cloud verified partners, of course. And more recently, at remote physical location and branch offices with VMware Edge Computing Stack. But then we realized that our customers were already in the cloud with huge investments and they needed help with cloud native application, so we launched VMware Tons. So a couple of years ago, we stepped back, sharpened our vision for the multi-cloud era and gave it a name, VMware Cross Cloud Services. And look, every time you push the envelope in the market with something new and visionary, it is uncomfortable. And there is a natural pushback both externally and internally. But we've seen this before, right? Remember in 2008, you cannot possibly virtualize business applications. And then in 2011, software-defined data, what? What is it? Why do I need one? But guess what? That provided us and our customers with a roadmap for the next 10 years of growth. And over the course of our own multi-cloud journey, as we evolve our strategy along these different paths to meet customers' challenges needs, I had to admit we created some confusion. So today I want to take this opportunity to succinctly recap VMware product vision. Ready for it? Let's go. It's a very simple taxonomy. First, multi-cloud complexity is the problem that we're solving for our customers. It is what we call cloud chaos, which resonates with every customer we talk to. This is our big market opportunity. Second, VMware Cross Cloud Services is VMware's solution for that problem. It is a portfolio of cloud-native services that enable our customers to build, manage, run, secure, and access any application across any cloud and the edge. Third, These cross-cloud services are built around 5 pillars. VMware Tanzu for modern application development, VMware Aria for multi-cloud management, VMware Cloud to run enterprise workload anywhere, NSX for security and networking, and Workspace ONE for user access and experience. And finally, CloudSmart is the outcome. When our customers use VMware cross-cloud services to tame the complexity of their multi-cloud environment, they can use whatever cloud fits the needs of their applications at a sustainable cost. This is a very complete and differentiated vision. It is a North Star to help our customers imagine their future and for us to help them get there. A reason for them to commit to us in the long term. Now, I am very excited to go back to our CIO and see what happens since we left him deep into cloud chaos. Let's watch.
Hi, Jane. What the heck did you say you used to get us out of multi-cloud chaos again?
VMware cross-cloud services.
Right. You saved my sanity and my career. Not to mention the company a lot of money. How did you do it?
Well, we started with modernizing our Houston data center, and for that we used the latest version of VMware Cloud Foundation. So that enabled us to run containers on-prem and then put our DR, disaster recovery, in the cloud and then manage everything in the cloud. And then next we looked to Atlanta and we had to exit that data center. So for that project we chose VMware Cloud. And so with VMware Cloud we were able to move over 100 applications out of Atlanta into AWS over spring break with no refactoring, no downtime, the same enterprise class environment. Boom!
Boom! That's why we didn't have to retrain anybody and we increased automation. And now we can modernize our apps and breathe new life into them.
Yep, so then we deployed VMware Tanzu, which enabled us to fit right into the developer's workflow using all the open source projects and the development tools that they love to use.
That's important. But our challenge was that we used 3 different Kubernetes runtimes on AWS, Azure, and on-prem.
Well, the nice thing is we use VMware Tanzu for Kubernetes operations, and that supports all Kubernetes distributions. And it still enables us to set all of our security management and cost policies in one place. So now developers have a consistent way to build apps, and our operators set policies just once.
Bang! And that's how we save all this money on training developers and operators. Brilliant! But what I'm still puzzled about is how do we achieve observability and management across private cloud, VMware Cloud, and the hyperscalers?
With VMware Aria.
VMware what now?
VMware Aria, it's VMware's unified cloud management suite that gives us a single platform for application, infrastructure, and services management across our entire cloud footprint. It also is really good at controlling cloud spend. We just got a report that showed that we saved over 6 figures in both Google and AWS.
Fantastic. Show me the money. Aria is music to my ears. More simplification, more savings.
Well, then we deployed NSX, and that's a full set of software-defined connectivity, security, and capabilities that works consistently across clouds. This means we can deploy workloads automatically and with advanced lateral security so that we can find and evict threat actors using legitimate means before they do any serious damage.
Right on.
And then finally, with Workspace ONE, we've secured our end users access to all their data, applications, and corporate resources and improved their experience at the same time.
Boom, bang. So we are having our cake, eating it too, and losing weight. Oh, and saving money. I love it. Jane, VMware came through for us once again. I can't wait to tell the CEO all about it. VMware is making us look pretty cloud smart right about now. We're going to get a promotion out of this. You mark my words.
Now it is your turn to ask questions. And we have people from the field, in the trenches, and in the leadership. They are here to cover topics like the GPS plays, VMC on AWS and the hyperscaler, sub and SaaS conversion program, and destination SKUs. But as you prepare your questions, I want to leave you with a final thought. I truly believe that one of the privileges of being at VMware is the opportunity to create and dominate new markets. We have done it before, and we're going to do it again. But to succeed, we all need to embrace our cross-cloud services product message and be consistent in delivering it as one VMware. Together, we can make our product shine as part of a bigger vision and give our customers a roadmap for the future, all while driving immediate value. That is the opportunity in front of us. Let's capture it. One VMware.